Hello everybody. For this time we are talking about financial services. Financial services are the economic services provided by the finance industry, which encompasses a broad range of business that manage money, including credit unions, banks, credit card companies, insurance companies, accountancy companies, consumer finance companies, stock brokerage, investment funds, individual managers, and some government sponsored enterprises. Financial services companies are present in all economically developed geographic locations and tend to cluster in local, national, regional, and international financial centers such as Tokyo, New York City, London, etc. And then we move to the importance of the financial services. The financial services is the primary driver of a nation's economy. It provided the free flow of capital and liquidity in the marketplace. When the sector is strong, the economy grows, and companies in this industry are better able to manage risks. The strength of the financial services is also important to the prosperity of a country's population. When the sector and economy are strong, consumers generally earn more. This boosts their confidence and purchasing power. When they need access to credit for large purchases, they turn to the financial services sector to borrow. If the financial services fails, it can drag a country's economy down. This can lead to a recession. When the financial systems starts to suffer and capital begins to dry up as lenders tighten the reins on lending, unemployment rises, and which may even drop, lending consumers to stop spending. In order to compensate, central banks lower interest rates to try to boost economic growth. This is primarily what happened during the financial crisis that led to the Great Recession. And then we move to types of financial services. Financial services are diverse and cater to different needs of consumers and businesses. There are some of the most common types of financial services. The first, banking services. Banks are major players in finance. They provide various services, including accepting deposits and offering loans. They are crucial for keeping a country's economy healthy. Additionally, banks offer services like wealth management and safe deposit boxes. Overall, banks are significant in the financial services sector. The second is investment services. Investment services help you make the most of your money. They are offered by banks and investment firms. These services help you grow your investment. They might also advise on things like company mergers and when a company goes public with an initial public offering or IPO. And then the third is insurance services. Insurance is important for managing risk. You pay a regular amount called a premium to get protection against financial losses from different events. There are different types of insurance like life, health, home, car, and liability insurance. It's all about keeping you financially secure when unexpected. It is in what happened is. And then we move to key roles in the financial services industry. The first, accountants. Accountants are professionals who create, keep, and interpret financial records. They can either work for companies in house as third party services. Accountants know all the ins and outs of a company's finances based on its balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, and they provide key insights to leaders based on the holistic perspective the statements create when assessed in tandem. This insight can be used to budget, invest, and make decisions that are in the best interest of a company's financial health. An accountant's responsibilities include creating and maintaining financial statements as well as ensuring compliance with current regulation and then acting as the bridge between business owners, lenders, and investors by providing a clear picture of an organization's finances. And then reporting financial performance to business leaders. And then the second key roles in the financial services industry is institutional investors and portfolio managers. Institutional investors are companies that invest money on behalf of others. Examples include mutual funds, pensions, insurance companies, and hedge funds. Individuals who manage investment portfolios at these companies are called portfolio managers. They buy and sell investment securities such as stocks, bonds, and alternative investment on behalf of their clients. Their roles require a great deal of industry knowledge and market trends. Becoming a portfolio manager requires years of experience in the financial services industry. Many portfolio managers begin their careers as analysts. They build their skills, fulfill registration and licensure requirements, and work their way up to managing client portfolios. And the third is analysts. Financial analysts have a big picture understanding of the financial landscape and use it to inform analysis of individual companies' finances. Analysts can be hired to work in-house for one company or have multiple clients in an agency setting. While much of an analyst's work consists of crunching numbers and analyzing data, it also involves data collection, which is often achieved by having conversations with key players in the field. Analysts may interview anyone in a company from its chief financial officer to factory employees to assess a company's financial state. And the fourth, advisors. Like accountants, financial advisors have identified issues that opportunities in an organization's financial statements and strategize for the future. They are, however, responsible for maintaining financial records, reporting on performance, or preparing tax documents. Financial advisors are required to pass several exams to become registered. Companies or individuals typically hire them to shed light on their current financial state and provide guidance on how to best move forward. They may be hired specifically in times of financial distress or at pivotal moments that require financial care. I think it is enough for this session, and thanks for watching. Don't forget give this channel your like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget share. Thank you.